Tired of begging customers for Google reviews and getting lost in the digital shuffle? This video reveals how NFC cards can bridge the physical and digital worlds, making it easier than ever for customers to leave you glowing feedback. First, grab your Google Business Profile link, head to your Google Business Profile dashboard, and look for the Ask for Reviews button. Click it, and copy the short URL that pops up. This is the magic link that takes people directly to your review page. Next, pick your NFC card style. You can find these on Amazon or specialty retailers. Think about where you'll use the card: a sticker for the table, a card for the register, or a keychain. Ensure you choose writable NFC cards. Now, program your NFC card. Download an NFC writing app on your smartphone. There are many free options available on both Android and iOS. Open the app, select the right function, and paste your Google Business Profile review link into the app. Hold your phone close to the NFC card until the app confirms the data has been written successfully. Test the card by tapping it with another smartphone. It should open your Google Business Profile review page. Finally, strategically place your NFC cards. Put them where customers naturally interact after receiving your service, like near the register, on tables, or inside the product packaging. Add a small sign encouraging them to tap and leave a review. And that's it. Streamline your review process and watch those positive reviews roll in, boosting your online presence and attracting new customers.